You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, keyless start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.